Good evening, students. Online students, am I audible? So now here in GMA, we will handle number of triangles counting. So I take 4-5 type of question. I start with type 1. Like here, we have this type of triangles, this type of figure, and we have to count number of triangle in the given figure. Like one thing is you can do manual counting. So if you do manual counting, this is triangle number 1, triangle number 2, and this larger one, triangle number 3. So in this given figure, we have 3 triangles. In this case, this is triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3, 3 small triangle. Then this 2, if you join, this is 4, 5, and the largest one 6. We have 6 triangles. But if it is a big figure, manual counting will be time consuming. So we have short trick for this type of figure. So what you can see in this figure, this base is divided in 2 parts. So we write 1 and 2. Here this base divided in 3 parts, we write 1, 2, 3. And you add 1 plus 2, 3, we get the same answer. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, we get the same answer. In this given figure, there are 3 triangles. In this given figure, we have 6 triangles. We can handle without doing manual counting in less time. Let me take one more example. Now, if you see this figure here, this base divided in 4 parts. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, how many triangles are there? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. So in this given figure, we have 10 triangles. Okay. Now you try. Keep your answer with yourself. In the given figure, see how many triangles are there. One, two, 4, 5. One plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. I think all of you got answer 15. Take your time. Just count number of triangles in the given figure. Done? What is your answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 plus 2 3 6 10 15 21 28. So in this given figure, how many total triangles are there? 28. Okay, type 1 clear. Now next is type 2. We use the concept of type 1 plus there is one extra concept. Like in type 2, we handle this type of figure. If we check manually, at this level, you have triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3. Okay. Some student by mistake, they count this also triangle. But let me tell, this is quadrilateral. We have more triangle, but like similar to this triangle, maybe school days you have studied in geometry, similar triangle, but larger in size. We have 3 small triangle. Here we have, this is 1, 2, and this is 3. So we have 3 here. You can check. You have 3 at this level. You have 3 at this level. Similarly here, if you check, this is triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3, triangle number 4, triangle number 5, triangle number 6. Here we have 6 small triangle. If you see the larger one, we have 6 triangle. So I tell you shortcut, step number 1. See what you do. I take this example, I take one more example. You see this base and you put the numbering. This base is divided into part 1 and 2. Same thing we will do what we have done in type 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So at this base we have 3 triangle. If at this base we have 3 triangle, here also you have 3 triangles smaller in size. अगर इस बेस पे 3 ट्रायंगल है तो यहां पे भी 3 ट्रायंगल मिलेंगे छोटी. Similarly here, like here, if we check in this given figure, 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6. At this level we have 6 triangle. If this base gives 6 triangle, this base also gives 6 triangle, but smaller in size. 6 triangle यहाँ पे, 6 triangle यहाँ पे. Total number of triangle are 6 plus 6, 12. In this given figure, we have total triangle 12. Let me take one more example. Don't count manually because it will be time consuming. If we have this diagram, what we will do, step number 1, we will see the lowest base. जो नीचे वाला base है, we will see this is divided in 4 part. 1 2 3 4. So we apply type 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. At this level we have 10. At this base also you have 10 triangle. At this base also you have 10 triangle. Or you can say one base give 10 triangle. How many total base are there? 3. So 10 into 3, total triangles are 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So in this given figure, we have 30 triangles. 10 small, 10 medium, 10 large. So you apply type 1. This base we have 10 triangle. Similar number of triangle we will have at this base. 10 triangle we have at this base. So you get your answer. I ask you a question, try. Done. What is your answer? So here this is 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15. So here we have 15 triangle. At this base also 15, 15, 15. So you can say 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 60, or 15 into 4. There are 4 base. 15 into 4, we have total triangle 60 in the given figure. Now you try one more question. So here, what is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. At this level, we have 21 triangle, 21, 21, or you can say 21 into 3, 63. In this given figure, total number of triangles are 63. Any doubt in type 1, type 2? All of it clear? Next is type 3. Like if we have a box, and inside that box we have cross. बॉक्स में अगर क्रॉस है, देर आर टोटल 8 ट्रायंगल. यहाँ पे 8 ट्रायंगल बनते हैं. आई टेल यू हाउ कम. दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4. Single triangle. 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle, 4 is a triangle. Then you take 2 at a time. Can you see 1 plus 2? 3 plus 4. This is one triangle, this is one triangle, but here if you check, we have this also. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3. So if we have a box, inside that box we have cross like this. We have total 8 triangles. I ask you one previous year question. Count number of triangle in the given figure. Answer options given 24, 26, 28, 32. Take time. Keep your answer with yourself. I give you 30 seconds. $32. Some student, what they think this block give 8 triangle. Similarly, this block give 8 triangle. This also give 8 triangle. Okay. and they mark answer 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8. But we have some larger triangle. See here, you can check in this given figure. We have this is one triangle. By joining this 4 small triangle, you have one this extra triangle. Now you can check this and this. 2 green and 2 pink. So this is 24 plus 4, 28 triangle. 24 तो समझ में आ रहा है ना? These are 8, these are 8, these are 8. But after that you can see this triangle, and you can see the green color, this triangle, and this triangle. So we have 4 triangle extra. So total triangle in the given figure is 24 plus 4, 28. Clear? 24 तो समझ में आ गई कि 24 भी नहीं आई? If you get this figure, there are 8 triangle. 4 single, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 double. 1 plus 2, ये एक ट्रायंगल नहीं है? अब इस उम्र में भी मेरे से कलर भरवाओगे? ठीक है, समझ में आया? इसी तरह ये और इस तरह ये. So here, if you have a box and there is a cross, there are 8 triangles. So here it give you 8 triangle. This box give you 8 triangle. This box give you 8 triangle. 24. But actually, when you use this 2 box and this larger figure, this is also a triangle. और इस size के 4 triangle है. तो 24 plus 4, we have total 28 triangle. Fine. Next is type 4. Type 4 is like a pyramid type of figure. See here, examiner will say there is one triangle. If you join the midpoint of the side of a triangle, we get this figure. Further, for this small triangle, you join the midpoint of the side of all the triangles. An examiner will ask count number of triangle in the given figure. 2011, very first year of CSAT, they have asked question on this pattern. Some student, what they do, they think logically, like they think this is one triangle, and if we join the midpoint of the side of a triangle, we get one extra triangle. But are we getting one extra triangle or 4 extra triangle? We are getting 4 extra triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, one triangle reproduce 4 triangle. Reproduction rate is 4, more than India. एक ने 4 को पैदा किया. अब ये 4 भी काम पे लगेंगे. So further here they produce 4 triangle. Every triangle will produce 4 triangle now here. 1, 2, 3, 4. इस वाली triangle में 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So they think logically, like this is a family. In that family there is one grandfather having 4 kids. उसके 4 बच्चे, 4 के आगे 16. 4 grands, every kid have 4. So there are total 16 grandson, granddaughter. And then they conclude total member in the family is 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. But they are wrong, because there are some extra member. although they don't know the source of this member. दादाजी ने विरासत के कहां बंटवारे किए नहीं पता ना, तो these are some extra member we don't know. So 21 is wrong. We have more than 21 actually in this question, so this is a wrong approach. When you see 1 give 4, 4 give 16, we'll end up with wrong answer because we miss some triangle in between. What will help you? I tell you the concept. But let me tell you, what I have discussed, that is the basic, very easy thing. जो अब तक discuss किया, type 1, type 2, 3 are easier. Type 4, type 5, yes, bit challenging, but okay, manageable. Manageable. ऐसा नहीं कि इतना ज़्यादा difficult है. So let me take 3 example on type 4, one by one. Okay. My first example is, here each side is divided in 3 ways. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. ये सबसे छोटी फिगर ले रहा हूं मैं, जैसे जहां पे 3 भाग में डिवाइड है. Here it is divided in 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my second example. Let me draw one more, where base is divided in 5 part. One, two, three, four, 5. Base is divided in 5 parts. Okay. Because I know I have to take 3 examples so that you can understand, because there are 2 steps. इससे पहले क्वेश्चन सिंगल स्टेप क्वेश्चन थे. These are 2 step questions. Let me take this example step by step. Let me take all 3 examples step by step, so that all of you will be comfortable. First is like a pyramid. We see the trail. Here this is 3 because this base is divided in 3 parts. So we have to make the same thing. 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. We have to make a trail. See here the highest number 3, you have to stop here, 3. So this is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Like I repeat, in this case, the base is divided in 4 parts. So what you have to do, 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, you have to make a pyramid. एक pyramid बनाना है. So here, since the base is divided in 4 parts, you have to stop at 4. So now here this is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, this is 6, this is 10. So I repeat, we have to make a pyramid. Since it is 3, 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so it is 1, 3, 6, you add, what is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. But this 10 is not your answer, this is only step number 1. ये तो अभी step number 1 है, like a pyramid. Step number 2. Name of the step number 2 is bottoms up. ठीक है, काफी जगह होता है bottoms up, है ना. स्टडी की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में भी होता है ना, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, गवर्नेंस. व्हाट इज बॉटम अप अप्रोच? ग्राउंड लेवल से, पंचायत से ऊपर करप्शन जाएगा, ऊपर से नीचे करप्शन नहीं आएगा. बॉटम अप अप्रोच, नीति आयोग. बट अपने टॉपिक में क्या है, हमें नीचे से उल्टा चलना है, ऊपर की तरफ, बॉटम से अप. व्हाट इज द रूल इन स्टेप नंबर 2? हियर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू अप, फर्स्ट वैल्यू यू हैव टू लीव, सेकंड and like here fourth value you have to select. It is second value you have to select, you have to add 3 here, 30. So in this given figure how many triangles are there? 30. Wait, I repeat, 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 plus 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 1 3 6 10. You add 1 plus 3 4 10 20. But it is not your answer. Step number 2, bottom to up. First number you have to skip, second number and fourth number you have to add. Every second number, second, fourth, sixth. So you have to add 7, 27. So in this given figure, how many triangles are there? 27. I repeat, step by step. Don't worry, अभी मेरे पास एक example बचा है. Now, I solve step by step for you. Step number 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Because the base is divided in 5 parts, at 5 I have to stop. Then we will check, this is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, this is 6, this is 10, this is 50. So what is this total? 35. But this is not our answer. We have second step, bottom to up. Here where first value you have to leave, second value and the fourth value. Second, fourth, sixth you have to add. नीचे से चलना है, second and the fourth value 13 you have to add. So your answer is 48. In this given figure there are 48 triangles. From bottom to up, second, fourth, sixth value you have to add. 35 में 10 और 3 ऐड हो जाएगा. 35 plus 10 plus 3 you get 48. We try one more example step by step. I repeat, step 1 is pyramid. ये 5 तक का है, आपको 5 तक का एक pyramid बना लेना है. 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 plus 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. फिर क्या करना है, यहां से उल्टा चलने का है. सेकेंड, फोर्थ, सिक्स वैल्यू यू हैव टू पिक एंड ऐड. जो सेकेंड और फोर्थ वैल्यू उसमें ऐड करनी है नीचे से. ट्राई. फर्स्ट लेट मी ड्रॉ. See how many triangles are there in this Bharat Mandalam. वो एग्जामिनर बनाएगा, आपको नहीं बनाने का. अभी लैब में कैप्सूल बना रहे हैं, बिना पढ़े आईएएस कैसे बना जाए, बिना मेहनत के आईएएस कैसे बना जाए. यूट्यूब पे वीडियो नहीं देखी 2 घंटे में आईएएस कैसे बना जाए. 7 मिनट में दिखा रहा है. हाँ सर 70. Oh, I'm genius. आ गया क्या आ रहा है? टोटल गलत करोगे तो 100 के ऊपर. एक तो 7 तक चले गए आप. 6 तक की फिगर है. फिगर 6 तक की है. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 plus 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So this is 1 3 6 10 15 21. ये आ रहा है 56. देन रूल नंबर 2 ध्यान से समझ लो. बॉटम से अप, सेकंड फोर्थ सिक्स 8 एवरी सेकंड वैल्यू. सेकंड फोर्थ सिक्स. What is 15 plus 6? 21 plus 1 22. You add 22. Your answer is 70. Be careful. जल्दी लोग क्या करते हैं, यहां से पहली वैल्यू उठाते हैं, पहली छोड़नी है. In this rule number 2, rule 1 is easy. You have to be careful about rule number 2. Rule number 2 is bottom to up. You have to pick every second value. Second, fourth, sixth, 8 अगर है तो. Otherwise second only. Second, fourth, sixth. So you have to pick the second value, fourth value, sixth value, and you have to add in this, and you get answer 78. So in this given figure, total number of triangles are 78. Clear? Next is type 5. Type 5 is like examiner can give you any random figure. Like examiner will say this is rectangle, you join this side, you join this point, will ask count number of triangle in the given figure. Next time maybe give one extra side, will say count number of triangle here. Next time might we give this figure, will ask maybe this figure. Examiner एक line खींच के चला जाएगा, rest is our duty. We have to count it. These are not fixed pattern. It can be any random figure. And if you are looking for formula for this random figure, I'm really sorry, I don't have. To make formula for this random figure, I need minimum 10 years. And to remember all those formula, you further need 10 more years. 10 plus 10, 20 years. After 20 years, who will use this example? और क्वेश्चन की वेटेज देखो ना. जीएम में टॉपिक, इफ आई विल से इन लास्ट 14 ईयर देयर वाज 5 क्वेश्चन. एवरी 3 ईयर देयर इज 1 क्वेश्चन. ओके, एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 1 क्वेश्चन व्हाट एग्जामिनर हैज? एग्जामिनर हैव स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, पैरेललोग्राम, रोम्बस, ट्रायंगल और मे बी एनीथिंग एल्स. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मेरे से पूछ के जाएगा क्लास में आपने क्या क्या पढ़ाया सर, मैं उनसे पूछ लूं क्वेश्चन. Examiner can ask any other thing also. So here weightage is very less. In triangle also we have 5 types. So here why to waste energy to mug up these many formulas which is counterproductive. अगर होता तो I would have given you. But I'm not asking to skip the question. I tell you what to do. If they give any random figure here, I will discuss 3-4 example with you. My first example here is, we take this figure here. And it is asked count number of triangles in the given figure. If you recall school days, if you have attended those classes by chance, by mistake, ठीक है, किसी किसी ने की होंगी ज्योमेट्री मेंसुरेशन की क्लासेस अटेंड, तो योर टीचर हैज नंबर्ड दिस A B C D E F G H and you have checked the solution given, like number of triangle is triangle ABC, triangle ACD, triangle BCE and so on. ठीक है. But school days, and even I follow this approach for this type of question, I have faced two problems. One is to name one triangle, I have to use three alphabet. 3 time confusion. And I tell you one fact, if you love mathematics or not, this is the fact. All of us are comfortable with number comparison rather than alphabet comparison. आपको अल्फाबेट देर से याद होंगे, नंबर जल्दी याद होते हैं. That is the fact. We are more familiar with number rather than alphabet. If I ask you how many number are there between 3 and 23, you can directly tell. But if I ask you how many alphabet are there between C and R, you take time, D, E, F, G, H, you will count it. Okay. Even if I give a 10-digit code, if I use digit, you can easily remember. But if I give a code where I use 10 alphabet, you take more time to remember that. I guarantee you. Alphabet, we are not that comfortable. Number is easier. Chalo, one thing. Second problem, like here, in this case, when I'm using this approach, I end up with wrong answer. Maximum time. Why? Because I have faced one problem, maybe many of you face. You can find I have taken one triangle ACD. And you will find after 2 minutes, you have taken one more triangle CAD. पता चला सेम ट्रायंगल काउंट कर लिया बट अलग ऑर्डर से. ये सबसे कॉमन मिस्टेक है. And because of that, we end up with getting wrong answer because we are counting same triangle again and again, but with different pattern. So I don't prefer this approach. I give one better approach. If you will be comfortable, okay. Otherwise, you can follow this anytime. Like my first question here. See here, for this random figure, we will not prefer formula. What we prefer, manual counting. We will manually count the triangle. But whenever we count manually, and not only this, I tell you, there are the topic in number system, P and C, even permutation, combination questions also. Sometimes I prefer manual counting. And this is one of the like theme-based lecture which I will discuss with you. This is one of the things. But what is important for manual counting? Sequence. You have to follow the sequence. Okay. So what I will do, I will name, I use number, but I will not name vertex. I number this figure as 1. ये जो figure है इसको मैंने बोल दिया figure number 1. Figure number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If any one of you really good for the analysis, जो अगर mind में अच्छा analysis करता होगा, आप अपने mind से पूछ भी लो कि now this figure or this figure, I guarantee your mind feel it is more structured and it is better. आपके mind में एक picture clear होगी कि 8 छोटी-छोटी figure को join करके we get this bigger figure. Here it will be less confusion. And when you are doing manual counting, you have to follow the sequence. So what we will do, we will take single number that give a triangle. Sequence. पहले हमें single number लेना है. जैसे 1 is a triangle, yes. मैं 3 अल्फाबेट नहीं यूज कर रहा ABC. मुझे पता है 1 is a triangle. 2 is a triangle. 3 is a triangle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 single triangle. After that, you join 2 numbers, size doesn't matter, but you join 2 number like 1 plus 2. If you get a larger, relatively a larger triangle. Like here, can I say if I join 1 plus 2, I get a triangle? So 2 number at a time. And you should have patience. Because if you miss a single triangle, you miss 2.5 marks. Have patience. Tell me any other. When you join 2 number at a time? 1 plus 3. 6 plus 8. And similarly 7 plus 8. So these are 4 triangle when we join 2 number at a time. क्रॉस चेक, टेक 5 more second कि कोई 2 नंबर मिला के कोई और ट्रायंगल भी बन रही है. When you join only 2 number at a time, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 6 plus 8. Tell me 3 number at a time. बट 4 को कहां छोड़ के होंगे? 4 उसकी गोदी में है बीच में. People they say 2, 5 and 6. 4 को कहां छोड़ोगे? You cannot skip 4. 3, only 3 number at a time. We don't have any figure, any triangle. 4 number at a time, yes. You take 4 number at a time, you get 2, 4, 5, 6. Tell me, is there any other triangle when I take 4 number at a time? Similarly, 3, 4, 5, 7. We have nearly 120, 130 student offline, online 70 student. Check, take 10 more second. इस क्वेश्चन में अगर 10 सेकंड एक्स्ट्रा भी लगा लोगे, there is no harm. But don't be in hurry, have patience. Check if by mistake I miss any of the triangle, 5 number at a time, 6 number at a time, 7 number at a time, all 8 number at a time. No. So here how many triangles are there? Actually 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So this given figure have 14 triangles.
So this kind of formula we can apply in every figure, right?
This is random. This is manual counting. Okay. Let me take 2, 3 more example. Wait. Take your time. Count number of triangle in this given figure. Don't be in a hurry. हाँ जी, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 9. कहां से आवाज आई है? मैं 8 बता रहा हूं, 9 में आपने बताना. I use numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe our numbering differ. किसी ने ऐसा लिखा हो 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter. आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle, 4 is a triangle. There are 4 single triangles. Then we have to join 2 number at a time. If you join 2 number at a time, 1 plus 3 give a triangle, 2 plus 4 give a triangle. अच्छा, some student they just focus on taking 2 number at a time. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, वो 1 plus 2 भी ले लेते हैं. चेक तो कर लो, ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, कुछ और बन रहा है. ऐसे ये टेलीग्राम का सिंबल है. पहले बाटा के कुछ पावर के जूते आते थे, उसका वो लोगो है. 2 नंबर ट्रायंगल भी देना चाहिए. तो 1 plus 2 is not triangle, but 3 plus 4 yes. Don't miss this. So when I take 2 number at a time, according to me there are 3 triangles. ये वाला और ये वाला. Don't forget the largest triangle, all four number at a time, 1 2 3 4. So according to me there are total 8 triangles. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. Fine. Now next question. सर्दी लग रही है? हाँ फैन कम करो इसको.
पूरा वाला ट्रायंगल को कवर करके
क्यों नहीं किया? ये देखो. Online students, offline student, this given figure, try. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? इट इज नॉट टाइप 2. टाइप 2 ऐसा था, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन नहीं है. डोंट थिंक टाइप 2 विल हेल्प यू. ओके, I put numbering 1 2 3 4 5. First single number, then 2 number at a time, then 3 number at a time. Sequence is very important and patience is very important. Otherwise better to skip the question. 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 single triangles. Some student by mistake they take 1 plus 2, but 1 plus 2 is not a triangle. Here 1 plus 3. I take 2 number at a time. Your numbering or my numbering may differ, but solution तो ऐसे ही रहेगा ना. 2 plus 4. Don't miss. Some student they miss 3 plus 5. भैया 3 plus 5 भी तो triangle है. 4 plus 5. So I think when you take 2 number at a time, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 5, we have 4 triangles. Some student they miss 3 number at a time. 3 number at a time is 1 2 3, or you can say 2 plus 1 plus 3. And here this is 1 2 4. यहाँ पे 1 2 4 भी तो है. 1 2 4. And the largest triangle. Don't miss the largest triangle. 1 2 3 4 5. So here 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. In this given figure, how many triangles are there? 12. ठीक है. Now next. Take your time. Check in the given figure how many triangles are there. वो PYQ की एक प्रिंट आउट रखा उधर उस कमरे में, जय सर को बोल देना, वो दे देंगे। ट्वेल्व नहीं आए? अच्छा, I put numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One common mistake 80% student they do, they take 1 as a triangle. ये कौन सी ट्रायंगल है? जिसका 11 आंसर आया चेक कर लो। Here 1 is not a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle, 4 triangle, 5 triangle. ठीक है, सेम क्वेश्चन है। 4 single triangle, then you take 2 number at a time, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, and 3 plus 5. So we have 3 triangle when we take 2 number at a time, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 3 plus 5. Then we will take 3 number at a time, 2, 3, 5. 3, 5, 4. And don't forget the largest triangle. So here we have total 10 triangle in the given figure. One common mistake, you might have considered this one as a triangle, but this one is not a triangle. This figure is not a triangle. Be careful. I ask you one more question. If you will get correct answer for that question, you will be comfortable in this topic. Okay. Take your time, count number of triangle in the given figure. Fifteen, 16, 17, 13, 14 आ रहा है किसी का? हाँ, रॉन्ग आंसर है। एक्साइटेड नहीं होने का। Anyone getting 7? Like I put numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Might be you use different numbering, doesn't matter. If any one of you getting 7 as the answer, you have not done any extra effort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और एक बड़ी ट्रायंगल 7. उसके आगे आपने कुछ देखा ही नहीं है. 6 छोटी ट्रायंगल, एक बड़ी ट्रायंगल. But we have 6 single triangle. Then we join 2 number at a time. If you join 2 number at a time, you get 1 plus 2. You get 4 plus 5 in my numbering. And here this triangle, which here 3 plus 6. So you have 6 single triangle. You have 3 when you take 2 number at a time. The most confusing in this figure is 3 number at a time. Student कहाँ गलती करते हैं? 3 number at a time. I tell you, this is vertex A. So you take a knife or scissor, divide this in 2 part. यहां से A से इसको 2 भाग में काट दो. So here this is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Other one is 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. So from A, we get 2 triangles. I tell you, one this side, second this side. Similarly from B, this is B. So what you do from B also, you divide in 2 parts. थोड़ा comfortably समझ पाओगे. एक ये, दूसरा ये. So from B, I put numbering at your home. You can cross check 2, 1, 4. And this side is 3, 6, 5. Similarly from C, अगर vertex C से check करोगे, you will find here you can divide in 2 parts, 1 and 2. 2, 3, 6. At your home you can check, there is no repetition. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी नंबर को मैंने किसी ट्रायंगल को रिपीट किया. So when you take 3 number at a time, there are total 6 triangle. From A we get 2, from B we get 2, from C we get 2. So we have 6 triangle here. Don't forget the largest triangle. There is one more largest triangle. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, 16. So in this given figure, we have total 16 triangles. Now what you have to do in exam? If there is a question on number of square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, what we have discussed yesterday, you have to attempt that because we are comfortable. If there is a question on type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, you have to attempt that. But if there is a question on type 5 and there is a random figure where formula we don't know, we have to do manual counting, then it depends on the answer options. Because like here, generally in 1 minute, we can count 8 to 10 triangle manually. If your answer options are in the range of 20, like 8, 10, 12, 14, you attempt that question. मान लो आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऑप्शंस है 8, 10, 12, 14, maybe 10, 12, 16, 18. I tell you that you have to attempt that because otherwise you are going to miss 2.5 marks. Because manual counting of 12 triangle, 14 triangle is not time consuming. Within 2.5 minutes, we can manage it. Have patience. But if you find answer options are beyond 20, you find if in the given question answer options are 24, 28, 32, 36, and you have to do manual counting of that. Okay? So here, don't attempt that question. Because when number of triangles are more and you have to do manual counting, chances are more we will do mistake. Manual counting एक limited number तक तो applicable है. एक तो इसमें time consuming है. and if there are more triangle, there are more chances that we miss any of the triangle, and here we will give the time also and we will get negative marking also. तो ये rule बना लो, like here if your answer options are in the range of 20 or it depend on your counting speed. किसी की फास्ट है, अगर वो 30 ट्रायंगल तक भी काउंट कर पा रहा है, मैनेज कर पा रहा है, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट दैट, बट यू मेक ए लिमिट ऑफ 3 मिनट. If you feel you can manage that manual counting within 3 minutes, you attempt that question. Otherwise, you skip that question immediately. अगर कोई ऐसा ट्रायंगल वाला क्वेश्चन मिल गया जिसमें नंबर ऑफ आंसर ऑप्शन मिल गए 32, 36, 44, 48, मैं तो छोड़ूंगा उसको. आई विल स्किप दैट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि मुझे सी सेट में टॉप नहीं करना. दैट इज द आइडिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टाइप 6, which I will not teach today because that is related to permutation and combination application. Let me complete P and C, then I will discuss. मेरे को याद रहेगा, don't worry, I will teach. I give you example. In 2023, they have asked one question where they have asked counting of triangles, but it is not a type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5 question. It is related to permutation and combination. I give you what they have asked. I will discuss the same question after 1.5 months. A, B, C, D is a square. And after 1.5 months, this question will be very easy for you. आप कहोगे अच्छा ये 5 सेकंड का क्वेश्चन है. 1 point on each of AB and CD. And 2 distinct points on each of BC and DA are chosen. How many distinct triangles can be drawn using any 3 points as vertices out of these 6 points? ABCD is a square. 1 point on each AB and CD and 2 distinct points on each BC and DA are chosen. How many distinct triangle can be drawn using any 3 points as vertices out of this 6 point? I explain this question. They ask you to take one square A, B, C, D. Then they ask one point on AB and CD. You take 1 point on AB, 1 point on CD. 2 distinct point on BC and DA. 2 point on this, 2 point on this. Like for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many distinct triangle can be formed by using these 6 points? तो इन 6 पॉइंट को यूज करते हुए कितने ट्रायंगल बनाए जा सकते हैं? दैट इज आवर क्वेश्चन. Okay, if any one of you have an idea about permutation combination, to make a triangle we need 3 vertices. So here your answer will be 6 से 3. बस इतना लिख लो, उसके अलावा दिमाग मत लगाना. I will explain this when I will teach permutation and combination. Counting of triangles में we have one concept, application of P and C, which we will cover later. तो उससे फिर ये अपना टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अभी नहीं समझ में आएगा 6C3 क्या है. इट विल टेक टाइम. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. नहीं, मेरे को आता ही नहीं. आज के लिए मेरे को सिर्फ इतना रटा है 6C3. मुझे भी नहीं पता सी का होगा क्या आगे. बस मैं इसलिए हिंट दे रहा हूं सो दैट यू विल नॉट हैव ए कंफ्यूजन. आप खुद से आगे ना पूछो सर इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना है. So this is this type where we are using permutation combination concept to count triangle. Don't worry, I will cover. I will cover for sure. Okay, now next topic is cube and dice. कर लिए ना सारे बस ठीक है. Under this cube and dice, we have three subtopic. One is cutting of cube. Second is coloring of cube. Third one is problem based on dice. Okay. I tell you the weightage. These two subtopic have more weightage. Coloring of cube, even I will add cuboid. Because in 2023 they asked cuboid. I will cover. On an average one question per year. मतलब इसकी वेटेज अगर एवरेज निकालो बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर एनालिसिस वन क्वेश्चन पर ईयर. Starting year they have asked question from this problem based on dice. 2019 to 2023 more or less they asked question from coloring of cube or cuboid. 2023 they have asked two questions on this topic. This was the neglected but in इसने 2024 में शतक लगा दिया. मतलब 2024 में यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन आ गया for the first time. But still, like if they have asked question in 2024 from cutting of cube, I can't say ki like it is the like most important. Still, it is the least important. I will cover, I will teach, but out of these three, this is still the least important topic. Still, these two topics are important out of these three. So what I will do, I start with problem based on dice. It will take nearly 1.5 lecture. आज का और मंडे का. फिर हम करेंगे कटिंग ऑफ क्यूब, कलरिंग ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड. I will teach after nearly 20 days or maybe 25 days. Because this topic is not of a basic level. मैं अगर टॉपिक को डिवाइड करूं ना, नंबर सिस्टम also I divided in three part. In number system also we have some topic which are easy to understand. In number system we have some topic which required better understanding. So I want once you will be comfortable with aptitude, after a 1 month practice, 1.5 month practice, all of you have better idea about aptitude, then you can easily understand. अगर मैंने ये टॉपिक अभी पढ़ा दिया ना, जैसे क्लॉक में है, I divide clock in two part. One are direct question, angle, time वाले, and second is a faulty clock part. तो वो दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करता हूं मैं. क्लॉक अभी पढ़ा देता हूं, विद इन 15 days I will teach clock, but faulty clock I teach after 1 month. Why? Because faulty clock is considered to be difficult part of that clock. वो अभी पढ़ाऊंगा तो it will take 2 hours, तब भी नहीं समझ में आएगा. Once you have understanding, better understanding in aptitude, फिर सिर्फ 15 मिनट का खेल है. Similarly here, if I teach this topic right now, coloring of cube and cuboid, it will take 5 to 6 hours. Still 20% student will understand. पूरी क्लास में सिर्फ 20% स्टूडेंट को ही समझ में आएगा. तो I will take, ठीक है, don't worry. So let us start with this problem based on dice, and even before that, let's have understanding about cube. We will understand some of the property of cube. Cube is a 3-dimension figure. What are the dimensions? Length, breadth, height. There are three axes: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. All three axes are used. Okay. Like for example, this box, cuboid, but just imagine this is a cube for our topic. Okay. See here, in this cube, if you can say this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Like this room, although it is not a perfect cube shape, but you can say in a room we have length, breadth, height. इस dimension को length मान लो, this dimension you can take breadth of this room, and this dimension you can take height of the room. Online student, if you want to understand the property which I will discuss with you, you can just concentrate on the room in which you are sitting. If you are sitting in a room, ये पता नहीं कहाँ बैठे होंगे. First property for cuboid is this is called vertex, corner. So tell me how many total vertices are there? 8. Every cube has 8 corner. We will check here. 4 in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the back side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can see in this room there are 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the back. So you write first property is every cube is having 8 vertices, or you can say vertexes. Fine. Second thing is edge. This is called edge. This is edge. This is the edge of this platform. This is edge. Okay. Here in this cube, this is edge. इसको edge बोलते हैं हम. These are called edge of the cube. How many total edges are there? 12. कैसे? 4 front में 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on the side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 at the back, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see in this room, this is 1 edge, 2, 3, 4. Side में 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 at the back side, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you cannot see all 12, but here can you see 4 in front? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the side, 5, 6, 7, and this 8. 4 at the back, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are total 12 edges. So you write second property, every cube is having 12 edges. E, D, G, E, S. I will use this property. These are very important. Every cube is having 8 vertices. Every cube is having 12 edges. Third property is this is called face of a cube. Face. It is called face. How many total faces are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can just see the room. There are 4 walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is roof. Sixth one is floor. These are the 6 faces. 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces. I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write third property is every cube is having 6 faces. I repeat, 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces. Now the fourth property. If you see the relationship in these 6 faces, what you will find, this roof is opposite to this floor. This is one pair of opposite faces. This wall is opposite to this wall. This is second pair of opposite faces. This wall is opposite to that wall. This is the third pair of opposite faces. Like here. This top is opposite to bottom. This is one pair of opposite faces. This front face is opposite to the back face. This is the second pair of opposite face. Left side face is opposite to the right side face. This is the third pair of opposite faces. So you write fourth property, every cube is having three pairs of opposite faces. Done? Now here problem based on dice में there is a small topic, construction of box. So today I will teach because that take nearly 20 minutes. तो वो complete हो ही जाएगा. Construction of box. I take three different type of question. Type 1 question. Like what they do, they give this type of figure. These are the 6 faces of a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. जैसे मिठाई का डब्बा बनता है ना फोल्ड करने से. So if you fold it, like if you fold 3 on the right side, 1 on the left side, 4 on the top, 5 at the bottom, over that 6. If we fold it, it become a box, it become a dice. Question asked, this figure will be given, examiner will ask a question, after folding it, what will be opposite of 1, which face will be opposite of 2, which face is opposite of 4, which face is opposite of 5, face opposite of 6, face opposite of 3. एग्जामिनर क्या बोलेगा, इसको फोल्ड करने का है और फिर बताना है कि इसके अपोजिट कौन कौन से फेस है. 1 के अपोजिट क्या है, 2 के अपोजिट क्या है, 3 के अपोजिट क्या है, व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 4, व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ 5. Here there is no need to fold, because for folding you need to be good in imagination. But we have direct short trick. Without folding this, we can solve this question in 2 seconds. What is our shortcut here? This is column and this is row. Like here, when in a column we have 3 or 4 faces, or in a row when we have 3 or 4 faces. Like first we start with this column. Okay. In a column we have 3 or 4 faces. See here, what is our shortcut? In a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite to each other. In a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite to each other. Like here, I take this column. By alternate, what I mean, like this 4 and 5 are alternate. I explain. Like we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. One online student asked, sir, can we have classes on alternate day? Alternate day matlab Monday, then Tuesday छुट्टी, Wednesday. This is called alternate day. बीच में एक दिन है. Similarly, बीच में एक face है, face number 2. So here 4 and 5 alternate in this column. But similarly, can we say Tuesday and Thursday is also alternate day? So similarly, so you can say here 4 and 5 opposite to each other. This is first pair. Can we say here this 2 and 6 also alternate? 2 और 6 भी तो alternate है आपस में. बीच में अगर एक फेस आ जाए वो alternate होता है. In this column 4 and 5 alternate, 2 and 6 alternate. So this is your second pair. This is applicable for row also. You can check this row. We have 1, 2, 3. Can we say 1 and 3 are alternate? क्योंकि बीच में 2 आ गया, तो 1 and 3 are opposite to each other. this is your third figure. So in a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite to each other. Now here, before I take some extra example, I think all of you have played game with dice, like snake ladder, ludo. Okay. See here, maybe your childhood, maybe कोविड टाइम, कोविड में सबसे ज्यादा लूडो खेली गई थी, कुछ और भी गेम खेले गए थे, बोल नहीं पाऊंगा. कुकिंग, ये लोगों ने बड़ी कुकिंग की थी. See here student, what they do, have you observed the dice? उस डाइस को ऑब्जर्व किया आपने? गेम तो खेले आपने, डाइस ऑब्जर्व किया. उस डाइस में क्या होता है? 1 and 6 ऑलवेज अपोजिट, 2 and 5 always opposite, 3 and 4 always opposite. Then student they say, sir, 1 and 6 always opposite. But that is restricted to your that dice. In our question, it depends on the position of number. In our question, opposite of 1 can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6. Depend on the question. तो क्वेश्चन के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. इफ यू से 1 and 6 ऑलवेज अपोजिट, देन व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. तो अपने क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आंसर होगा. आई टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Here also, if you fold it, it will be a box. So here we have 4 faces like this. So here also, in a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite. So what we can say, in this row, this 1 and 3 alternate. So 1 and 3 are opposite. 2 and 4 are alternate. 2 is opposite of 4. And in this column, you can check this 5 and 6 are alternate. So 5 is opposite of 6 in this given question. So in a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite of each other. I ask you a question. See, they can use number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can use color. They can use alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. My question to you. What is opposite of C? What is opposite of A? What is opposite of B? F. Next is type 2. See here, in type 2, type 1 will help plus one extra concept. जो हमने type 1 में सीखा वो help करेगा. उसके अलावा एक और concept हम सीखेंगे. In a column, we have 4 faces. What is type 2? In a column, we have 4 faces. One on left hand side, remaining one on right side. One on left side, remaining one on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a column, there are 4 faces, one on left hand side, remaining one on right side. First, we take help of type 1. Type 1 क्या कहता है? In a column, alternate faces are opposite. That is applicable. So can we say 2 and 5 alternate? So 2 and 5 opposite. Here this is 4 and 6 alternate. 4 is opposite of 6. It is easy. 2 and 5 alternate, 4 and 6 alternate. But now here we have one extra concept. When in a column there are 4 faces, one on left hand side, remaining one on right side, here this left side face is always opposite to right side face irrespective of their position. मतलब यहां पे ये थर्ड पेयर मिलेगा 1 और 3 से. In this question 1 and 3 are opposite. But what is the catch? Irrespective of their position. If by chance examiner give you this diagram and will give 3 here, here also 1 and 3 opposite. If examiner use 1 here, 3 here, then also 1 and 3 opposite. If 3 here, then also 1 and 3 opposite. If 3 here, then also 1 and 3 opposite. If they have used 1 at any of this position, so here 1 can be any of this position, 3 can be any of this position. So this 1 and 3 are always opposite to each other irrespective of their position. But what is required in a column, there has to be 4 faces. एक column में 4 face होंगे तभी ये applicable है. Left side face and right side face is always opposite to each other irrespective of their position. Similarly, when in a row we have 4 faces, one upper side and one lower side. First we use type 1. In this row 3 and 5 alternate, so 3 is opposite of 5. 2 and 6 alternate, 2 is opposite of 6. In a row, alternate face opposite, then this type 2 suggests when in a row 4, one upper side, remaining one lower side, this upper side face is always opposite to lower side face because this gives the third pair irrespective of their position. अगर ये 4 यहां है तब भी यही आंसर होगा. If this 4 is here, then also 1 and 4 opposite. If 4 is here, then also 1 and 4 opposite. If 4 is here, then also 1 and 4 opposite. But एक रो में 4 फेस होंगे तब, 3 होंगे तब नहीं काम करेगा. In a column 4 और in a row 4 तब ये ट्रिक काम करता है. Let me ask you a question based on this type 2. A, B, C, D, E, F. Tell me what is opposite of B? What is opposite of C? What is opposite of A? F. A and F will be opposite to each other irrespective of their position. अगर मैं F यहाँ बना दूंगा तो भी A और F opposite होंगे. If I make F here, then also A and F opposite. If any of this diagram is given, when in a column you have 4 faces, one on left side on any of the position, one on right side at any of the position, left and right are always opposite to each other irrespective of their position. Next is type 3. Achha, some student, what they do, they ask some question because of curiosity. They ask, sir, if we have diagram like this and we have 6 faces like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is your concept applicable of alternate faces? मैं क्या कंसेप्ट गया साइड में, पहले इसका डाइस बना के देखा. सांप बना रहे हो कि डाइस बना रहे हो? If you fold it, it will be a roll. It will not be a dice. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि हर जगह लगेगा, वो डाइस भी तो बनना चाहिए. It should be a correct figure. It will be a roll. जैसे दिवाली पे लाल पटाखों की लड़ी होती है ना, ऐसे गोल गोल. Sometimes like here they give 5 faces in a column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they ask, sir, how to use the concept. भाई फिगर ही गलत है ना. See here, it is not that each and every figure you fold it become a box. इसको try करके देख लेना. It will never be a box. So here either our type 2 question, type 1 question, I take type 3. इसमें भी अगर fold करोगे तो it will be a cube or dice. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. When we have two column like this and there are 3 and 3 faces given, you can try it. If you are very good in imagination, mind में imagine करके देखो, if you fold it, it will become a box or dice. Okay, now we learn one more concept, but we will take help of type 1 first. Type 1 suggests in a column or in a row, alternate faces are always opposite. So what is important? 1 and 5 alternate. So this is our first pair. Similarly, 2 and 6 alternate. 2 is opposite of 6. This is our second pair. But what is our concept? What is our learning here in type 3? If you know the 2 pair, you very well know the third pair. आपको 2 ही पेयर निकालने, थर्ड पेयर अपने आप निकलेगा. I will explain how come. I give you 3 examples so that you can understand. 1 and 5 opposite, this is first pair. 2 and 6 opposite, this is second pair. Third pair is, what are the remaining 2 faces? 3 and 4. These remaining 2 faces will give the third pair. Nowhere else you get the third pair. So 3 and 4 conclude the third pair. Just wait, give me time, I will explain the concept. Like in this room, examiner give you 6 faces. Examiner tell you, this is wall number 1, this is wall number 2, this is wall number 3, and that is wall number 4, and this is roof, and this is floor. And after that, examiner tell you 2 pair. Examiner tell you this wall 1 is opposite to wall number 3. This is the first pair is given. And this is wall number 2 is opposite to wall number 4. So once you know this 2 pair and you know all the 6 faces, you can easily conclude the third pair. Tell me what are the remaining 2 faces? Roof and floor. This roof and floor will conclude the third pair. Nowhere else you get the third pair. Still, if it is not comfortable to category 1 student, I give you one more example. Concept याद रहे ना रहे, example रहेगा. Like for example, in a group there are 6 person, 3 male, 3 female. Male 1, male 2, male 3, female 1, female 2, female 3. They went to one club where only couple entry is allowed. That means there will be 3 couple. Same like this. So this is male 1, female 1. They went to the club. This is first couple. Male 2 and female 2, they went to the club. This is second couple. So can we say once you know 2 couple, you can conclude the third couple? तीसरा couple कहां से बनेगा? Remaining male and remaining female will make the third couple. It's not like nowadays this male engage with any female or male engage with male. भाई जो बच गए वही तो कपल बनाएंगे यहाँ. And what they have in dice, they have committed relationship. वो हम next class में पढ़ेंगे. Dice की एक दुनिया है और बड़ी interesting दुनिया है. That we will study when we will study problem based on dice. तो अभी एक चीज समझ लो, there are 6 person and there are exactly 3 pair. Once you know 2 pair, the remaining 2 person will make the third pair. So here 1 and 5 opposite, this is first pair. 2 and 6 opposite, this is second pair. If you know this pair, remaining 2 faces will make the third pair. In this figure, 3 and 4 will tell you the third pair. Similarly, it can be 2 row like this. Here also it is possible. If I put like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First we use our type 1. Alternate face in a row are always opposite. This 1 and 3 opposite. This is the first pair. 4 and 6 opposite. This is the second pair. Okay. Then what we can do? We can conclude this 2 and 5 are the remaining 2 face. Will conclude the third pair. So in this question, 2 and 5 are opposite. If you know 2 pair, you can conclude third pair.
adjacent faces of any particular.
हाँ बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं। अगर अपोजिट पता है तो एडजेसेंट पता है, या तो एडजेसेंट होंगे या अपोजिट होंगे। ठीक है, जो अपोजिट है उसके छोड़ के बाकी सारे एडजेसेंट होते हैं। नाउ हियर you try this question. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, my question to you, tell me what is opposite of A, C. What is opposite of D, F. What is opposite of B, E. So in this question, B and E opposite to each other because this is going to be the third pair. अगर दो पेयर पता है तो तीसरा पेयर we can directly conclude. That is the concept. We will talk about adjacent faces in the next class. Okay. Now we will have test. I give you homework. I have taken square, rectangle, test देना है, parallelogram, rhombus, triangle count. If any one of you purchase manual, किसी भी कंपनी का एक मैनुअल क्या होता है जिसमें CSAT के सारे टॉपिक कवर है. Might be they have given question on this. See what you can do, you refer PYQ. तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेना पहली चीज. Second thing is, if you have any book with you where counting of figures topics are available, RS अग्रवाल की 3 बुक आती है, एक क्वांट की, एक वर्बल रीजनिंग, एक नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग. दिस इज गिवन इन नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग. नो नीड टू परचेज इफ यू आर नॉट परचेज येट. ठीक है, उससे बढ़िया मौसम अच्छा है, शाम सामने से कुछ और खरीद लेना. ठीक है, 300-400 रुपए मत लगाना. एक वेबसाइट है, मेरी नहीं है, indiabix.com, जिसकी भी एक गजब का चोर इंसान है. हैव टेकन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम RS अग्रवाल. RS अग्रवाल के सारे क्वेश्चन इस पे मिल जाएंगे आपको. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, indiabix.com पे जाना. आई थिंक एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग के नाम से इफ यू विल गो, you will find question on counting of figures. So you practice nearly 20 to 25 questions for counting of figures. अगर बुक है ओके है, बुक नहीं है तो फॉर दिस टॉपिक indiabix.com will help you. या गूगल पे जाना, काउंटिंग ऑफ squares question, counting of rectangle questions you will get, and you can practice those questions. Plus category 1 student, you have to cover the basic. For all the category, what you have to do, you have to revise basic classes which I have taken, plus 3 classes on number system, 3 classes on percentage, 2 classes on GMA. You have to revise. You have 3 days with you, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday I will take doubt session, that will be on Zoom. We will share Zoom meeting link with you, and offline student you can come here. Timing Sunday का doubt session रहेगा 5 PM onward. आपके बेसिक डाउट है वो पूछ सकते हो, बट रिलेटेड टू द चैप्टर, रिलेटेड टू द आवर लेक्चर. ठीक है, संडे के बाद लाइक हियर दिस 3 थिंग, दिस हैज टू बी क्लियर. मतलब इनमें कोई डाउट नहीं बचना चाहिए. ओके, टेक योर टाइम. देयर आर टोटल 6 क्वेश्चन. पहला गलत है। पहला और चौथा गलत है। डन। सिक्स्थ रॉन्ग है, बाकी सही है। 2 more minutes, then I give you answer on the board. पहला गलत है, बाकी ठीक है. Okay. Question number 1, answer is D 14. Question number 2, answer B 18. Question number 3, we already discussed in the class, A 16. Question number 4, answer D 10. Question number 5, answer C 12. Question number 6, answer C. But like if you check answer option 34 triangle, 36 triangle. What I do for this question, I skip the question. ठीक है, जिसने skip किया that is better. So I skip, don't ask the doubt. मैं इसको skip कर चुका हूँ. Other than 6, any doubt I will take, 6 I will not take. क्योंकि इसमें 36 triangle तो like it is like time consuming. हाँ, what you can do, I tell you one more thing. It is a straight line and triangles. Straight line we can easily count. So you can check number of straight line in question number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So based on straight line, you can say A and D wrong, either answer B or C. So if you want to take a risk 50-50, you can attempt it. ठीक है, 50-50 के रिस्क पे इसको कर सकते हैं. but for number of triangle counting it is going to be more time consuming. अच्छा, in case अगर आप triangle count करने बैठ गए and you are taking 6 or 7 minutes and maybe you get a answer, I tell you chances are less कि correct हो भी सकता है 50% chances. This 6-7 minute is harmful. Don't take more than 3 or 3.5 minutes for a question of GMA. Counting of square, counting of rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, triangle. If you think that question required more than 3.5 minutes, better skip that question. अगर इसमें 7 मिनट लगा के करेक्ट आंसर भी निकाल लिया ना, दैट इज हार्मफुल, क्योंकि बिकॉज इन 7 मिनट वी कैन सॉल्व 2 or 3 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अदर टॉपिक. ओके, सो आई राइट आंसर बता तो दिया वैसे ही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर डी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आंसर बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आंसर ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आंसर डी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आंसर सी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आंसर सी. Those who are not having any doubt in this test or in the lecture, you can leave the class. Those who are having doubt, they can wait here for your doubt. जिसके डाउट है वो वेट कर ले. हाँ जी, एनी डाउट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 में किसको डाउट है? 1, 2, 4.
तुक्का लगाना चाहिए कि नहीं लगाना चाहिए?
लगा सकते हो, टाइम ना वेस्ट करके तुक्का खेल सकते हो, क्योंकि 50-50 है. बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी मैं स्टार्ट हो रहा हूं. 1, 2, 4. Those who are not having any doubt, they can discuss outside. जिसका डाउट नहीं है, बाहर अच्छा मौसम है, नीचे हमने आपके लिए चेयर वेयर भी लगवाई हुई है ना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First we will take single number. 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle. 4 और 5 मैंने लिया नहीं ना, अभी मैंने सिर्फ नंबरिंग लिखी है. 6 is a triangle, 7 is a triangle, 8 is a triangle. There are 6 single number. 4, 5 numbering इसलिए लिया कि बाद में हेल्प करेगा. Then we have to take 2 number at a time. Okay. So be careful. You can go from left to right and carefully check करते जाना. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 4 not, but 3 plus 5. कुछ लोगों का ये ट्रायंगल मिस हो जाता है. Similarly 4 plus 6, 6 plus 7, so I think when you take 2 number at a time, we have 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 4 plus 6, we have 4 triangle. अब 3 number at a time. 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7. 6, 7, 8. So when you take 3 number at a time, ठीक है, तो तेरा 3 ट्रायंगल, अभी एक और है 4 नंबर मिला के कुछ 1 2 4 6, यस। और वैसे भी मैं आपको एक हिंट देता हूं, योर आंसर ऑप्शंस आर 8 10 12, 13 तो हो ही चुकी, तो उल्टा तो होगा नहीं कि 13 से कम हो, 13 तो हमने कंफर्म कर दिए, तो हियर ओनली आंसर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल 14। और ये वाला, ये देखो, ये ट्रायंगल 1 2 4 6, तो you check there are 6 single triangle, there are 4 double triangle, there are 3 triple triangle, and there is 1 4 figure at a time if you combine we get. But अगर 12 से ज्यादा कंफर्म हो चुका है, if 13 confirm triangle, you have to mark 14 in this question, क्योंकि 14 से ज्यादा अवेलेबल नहीं है। 14 is the largest number in the answer option available and we have confirmed 13, but एक और बाद में मिल गया 14 है वैसे तो, but still if you are confused, अगर you can confirm 13 triangle and answer options are available, this attempt 14, फिर without any doubt mark 14, क्योंकि 13 तो confirm आ ही गए थे ना, that will help you. Now next is question number 2. I put numbering like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Single triangle. 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is not a triangle, 4 is a triangle, 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 8 single triangle except 3. 3 को छोड़ के बाकी सारी triangle. Then be careful, 2 number at a time. 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8. 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8. So we have 5 triangle when you take 2 number at a time. ये मिस कर जाते हैं, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8. Then we take 3 number at a time. 3 number at a time, 6 7 8, 2 5 6, similarly 4 8 9. There are 3. 8 plus 5 13 plus 3 16. 4 number at a time. 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 5 13 16 17. The largest triangle 18. सबसे बड़ी triangle 18. So you can check carefully. There are 8 single triangle. Double में बस ये मिस कर जाते हैं, 6 plus 7 and 7 plus 8. 3 में ये और practice 20-25 question. You will be comfortable. I have given an idea. If your answer options are beyond 20, we can skip. Otherwise, you have to attempt. Question number 4. I put numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 is a triangle, 2 is a triangle, 3 is a triangle, 4 5. So there are 5 single triangle. When you take 2 number at a time, you will not get triangle, but 3 number at a time. 3 में what you do? You start from 1 6 and 3. Then move clockwise. 1 6 3, 2 6 4, 2 6 4. then 365, 365, then 461, then 562, 562 क्योंकि 563 हो चुका है, 562. You can check when you take 3 number at a time, there are 5 triangles. और maximum number available 10, don't take pain. अगर maximum number is the answer, that is comfortable to attempt, because once you get 10 triangle, no need to have a doubt कि कोई triangle miss तो नहीं होगी, because maximum number available 10. Without any doubt, without any confusion, mark 10. क्योंकि गलती से अगर एक और triangle निकला ही ज्यादा confusion हो जाएगा. But still the best answer available 10. क्योंकि 10 तो कंफर्म ट्रायंगल है ही है. 5. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मेरे अकॉर्डिंग इज वेरी इजी. दिस इज बॉक्स के इनसाइड इज प्लस कोड. 1 2 3 4. एक मिनट बैठो. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन indiabix.com पे मिलेगा. देयर आर 8 ट्रायंगल. ये अभी बता के हटा हूं क्लास में. बॉक्स के अंदर अगर क्रॉस है तो देयर आर 8 ट्रायंगल. देन दिस इज 9 10 11 12. Other than these 8, we have 4 extra triangles. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन indiabix से कर लेना, वहीं से मैंने देने. और क्या. इवन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम indiabix.com. जो भी आपको टेस्ट भी दिया मैंने indiabix.com से दिया.
मेरे को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. इस वाले के अंदर मैंने एक कौन सा पेयर छोड़ा है? मैंने सारे जो
लिखा क्या क्या है?
163 563 563, ठीक है. उसका 264. इसके अलावा कौन सा छूटा है? एक ये हो गया, 164 छूट गया.
164 छूट गया. फाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन तो बता दूंगा, ट्रायंगल नहीं बताऊंगा. वन 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. हाँ, टाइप 1 अगर कैटेगरी 1 स्टूडेंट तो पक्का कर लो.
सर आपने वेबसाइट बताई तो उसमें नंबर सिस्टम भी होगा मतलब? और
वो नहीं है, बिल्कुल एनसीईआरटी बेसिक नहीं है. हाँ, नंबर सिस्टम के जो क्वेश्चन टॉपिक मैंने कराए उन पे क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे. बेसिक एडवांस लेवल वी विल डिस्कस लेटर.
और नहीं मिले, सॉरी.
4 तो मिल गए ना.
हाँ, मतलब 8 हो गए. मेरा आंसर 8 ही आया था. उसके अलावा 10 2 और कौन से हैं?
अरे भाई 5 और 4 9 तो ही गए तुम्हारे.
अच्छा, तो उसके बाद आगे प्लस. ठीक है. अच्छा सर, एक चीज़ और.
265 लिया आपने?
265 नहीं, 265. सर एक चीज़ डाउट है मेरी, ये 1 और 2 ट्रायंगल नहीं होता ना, क्योंकि ये ऐसे हो रहा है.
इसको क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोलते हैं
ना, ये ट्रायंगल नहीं है. ठीक है सर.
सर मुझे ये क्वेश्चन का कंफ्यूजन है. अगर
क्या
मैं ऐसे
confusion?
ये पीसीसी से कर रही हूँ तो ये 12% आ रहा है.
और तो 12 ही आंसर है.
हाँ, और ये मैं
बी आंसर है इसका.
हाँ, और ये मैं अगर ये ऐसे ही मैंने पहले ये मेरा पहले का मेथड था तो मैं
वो गलत है ना, पता नहीं करा क्या आपने.
कि मैंने लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ का 2020 लेकर के इसमें
20 मान लिया 400 हो गया.
हाँ,
तो 20 के ऊपर 20% बढ़ेगा.
हाँ तो 20 24 हो गया.
हाँ.
और इसमें घटा.
इसमें कितना घटा? लेकिन इसमें 40% बढ़ाने के लिए होगा, तो इसको 28 करो.
ओके ओके, ठीक
है ना. इसको 28 करो और इसको 16 करो. तो 28 को 16 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 5 से.
सर इसमें मैं सोच रहा था कि ये वाले तो स्ट्रेट है यहाँ तक.
नहीं कंप्लीट होती है. इसको ये वाली पूरी को एक लेंगे, इसको एक और इसको एक, दो नहीं लेंगे. अगर एक ऐसी लाइन है बीच में कितने भी वर्टिसेस हो, कितने भी कॉर्नर, इसको एक ही मानते हैं. किसमें?
एंड पे, यहाँ पे, फिर यहाँ पे.
नहीं, इस पूरी को एक लाइन माना जाएगा.
कंफ्यूजन होगा वहाँ.
नहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. ये कंसेप्ट है. अगर ये कोई फिगर है, आप कह रहे हो कि मैं इसको एक इसको दो, ऐसा नहीं होगा. इसको एक लाइन माना जाए. स्ट्रेट लाइन लिखा है ना, ये पूरी स्ट्रेट लाइन है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो।
कंफ्यूजन है सर, ये क्वेश्चन में कंफ्यूजन हो गया।
कोई confusion नहीं है।
हो कि वर्सेस पे कट हो जाए तो फिर बंदा सोचे।
आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, कंसेप्ट में इस पूरी को हमेशा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन माना जाता है। भाई यहाँ 4 लड़कियां 4 लड़के बैठ गए, सिर्फ लड़के लड़के स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी कि पूरी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में 4 लड़के बैठे? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन तो पूरी होगी, यहाँ 4 लड़के 4 लड़के ऐसी बैठी है, इस पूरी को एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बोला जाएगा। अगर ये एंगल सीधा आ रहा है तो इसको पूरे को स्ट्रेट लाइन बोला जाता है। बीच में ना तो गैप है ना एंगल बदल रहा। अगर ये एंगल बदलेगा तो ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये एक स्ट्रेट, या ये और ये होगा तब 2 अलग स्ट्रेट लाइन बनेगी। अगर ये और ये है तो इसको सिंगल स्ट्रेट लाइन ही बोलेंगे। अगर मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा ना, ये 3 स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं मानी जाएंगी। अगर इसमें पूछ रहे कितनी स्ट्रेट लाइन है, कंसेप्ट क्या है, ये 1 ये 2, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज।
7 प्लस में यही चला चाहिए, 7 प्लस में
ये और एक ये भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, बाकी सब सही है।
ठीक है सर, मैं संडे को वापस आता हूँ।
नो डाउट ना, सही सर। डन, आई गॉट इट। ओके सर, इन थर्ड आई एम गेटिंग 14 हो गया। ठीक है कुणाल, ठीक है जी। ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे, लोग चांद पे पहुंच जाते हैं, आपको तो मैथ ही सीखना। स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल, डोंट वरी। ओके ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच। क्या जिस आपको 6, 7, 8 की एनसीईआरटी पढ़नी है, संडे को रिपोर्ट करना है, मंडे को। ओके ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सर को प्राइम आइडेंटिफिकेशन कंसेप्ट बता दूंगा मैं, आई विल टीच व्हेन आई विल स्टार्ट नंबर सिस्टम अगेन। ठीक है, अभी हम क्यूब एंड टाइज पढ़ लेते हैं, 2 क्लासेस लगभग लगेगी, मंडे ट्यूसडे। ठीक है, दो क्लासेस 3, फिर नंबर सीरीज 3 क्लासेस, कैलेंडर। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल स्टार्ट नंबर सिस्टम अगेन, वेयर आई विल टेक H7 LCM, तब मैं बढ़ा दूंगा। आपका क्लासेस सिर्फ सीसेट चल रहा है, उसके अलावा भी चल रहा है? ठीक है, बट सीसेट में टाइम 4-5 घंटे लग रहे हैं डेली ना। ठीक है, कोई ना, 20 दिन का काम 40 दिन में कर लेंगे, बट अच्छे से करेंगे। ठीक है, हाँ नो इशू, थैंक यू रवि तेजल। बट मुझे लग रहा है कि टॉपिक के बीच में तो रूटीन नहीं बनेगा। जब मैं नंबर सिस्टम दोबारा से स्टार्ट करूंगा, इफ यू कैन रिमाइंड मी एट द टाइम, दैट विल बी वंडरफुल। बट मैं याद रखूंगा, डोंट वरी, मैं करा दूंगा आपको। आई विल टीच फॉर श्योर। ओके ओके, कर दो भाई, क्लास एंड कर दो।